In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Typeform publicly with a shareable link. By the end, you'll have a clean public link you can drop into emails, your website, or social media so people can start responding right away. First, on your PC, open your preferred web browser. Any modern browser works great. In the address bar, type typeform.com and press enter to head to the homepage. When you're there, log into your account as you normally would. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard, which lists all of your forms. Find the form you want to share and click it to open its workspace. This takes you to the form's editing area, where you can access all the options related to it. At the top or side of the interface, look for the Share section and click it. This is the hub for getting your form in front of people. Inside Share, locate the Shareable Link option. Make sure the Shareable Link toggle is turned on. Turning this on generates a public URL that anyone can use to access your form. Think of it like flipping a sign to open. With the toggle on, the form is accessible to anyone who has the link. Next, copy the link. You'll typically see a copy button next to the URL. Click it, and the link is placed on your clipboard, ready to paste. If you prefer, you can highlight the URL and copy it manually. Either way, you now have a working, public link to your Typeform. Now share that link wherever your audience is. You can paste it into an email, embed it in your website or blog, or post it on social media. It's flexible and easy to distribute across different channels, whether you're gathering feedback, signing people up, or running a quick survey. From this point on, anyone with the link can access your Typeform publicly and submit responses without needing a Typeform account. Keep in mind that this link is broadly accessible, so be mindful about the information you request and what you plan to do with the responses. If you ever need to limit access later, you can return to the Share section and adjust settings as needed. That's all you need to publish and distribute your Typeform using a shareable link. Open your browser, go to typeform.com, log in, select your form, click Share, ensure the shareable link is on, copy the URL, and share it wherever you communicate with your audience. You're ready to start collecting responses.